Gentleman from Ohio is recognized. Gentleman reserves. Gentleman from New York is recognized.
Madam Speaker, I now yield 1 minute to the distinguished gentleman from New Hampshire, Mr. Pappas.
The gentleman is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise today in support of the Respect for Marriage Act. Growing up in New Hampshire as a gay person, I wasn't sure if there would be a place for me or if I'd be able to have a family of my own. But I was lucky to be surrounded by people who embraced me for who I am, and to live at a time when hearts, minds, and laws were changing for the better. Next year, I'll marry the love of my life. And it's unthinkable that if the Supreme Court heeds Justice Thomas's call, that our marriage might not be recognized in New Hampshire where we live, but not across the country. That's the reality that many couples fear, one that would jeopardize their ability to visit a spouse in the hospital or access all the benefits that couples do, one that would strip millions of Americans of their rights and their dignity. That's a threat that we can't ignore. So I hope my colleagues will heed the calls of their constituents and the call of history and cast a vote in favor of the Respect for Marriage Act to say that love is love and to respect people's individual freedoms in this country. Thank you, and I yield back.